In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents manually in Microsoft Word. If you do not want Word to automatically pull headings from your document, you can insert a completely manual table of contents templates. This lets you type your own titles and page numbers exactly how you want them. Here's the exact direct button path to insert and edit a manual table. Okay guys, first you just need to go ahead and click your mouse on the blank page where you want the table to go. Next, move your cursor to the top ribbon and click the References tab. After that, on the absolute far left of the ribbon, click that Table of Contents button here. A drop-down menu will appear, then scroll past the automatic options and click the third choice labeled Manual Table. Word will instantly drop a customizable template onto your page. And then, to edit the template, you can click directly onto the placeholder text that reads chapter title and type your actual section name. Then click directly onto the placeholder page number on the right side and type your number, which is right here on the right. And if you need to add more chapters, you can highlight the entire line in the table, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then place your cursor at the very end of that line and then press Enter to start a new row, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Keep in mind that because this is a manual table, Word will not update the numbers or titles by itself if you change your documents later. You will need to type in any new page numbers yourself before saving, but that is it. That's how you can create a contents manually in Microsoft Word, customizing it to your liking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.